Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In today's video, we are asked to find the value of x, given that x is equal to root of x raised to the power of root of x. So we have that x is equal to root of x raised to the power of root of x. Now at this point, we can have that x is equal to s raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of root of x. So x is equal to s raised to the power of root of x divided by 2. Now at this point, we can take the natural log of both sides. So we have it that ln x will be equal to ln s raised to the power of root s divided by 2. But recall that log a raised to the power of b can be expressed as b log a. So therefore, here we have that ln x will be equal to root x divided by 2 multiplied by ln x. Now, let us move everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. So the equation becomes ln x minus root x divided by 2 ln x equal to 0. Now, we can factorize ln x. So we have that ln x being factorized, open bracket, 1 minus root x divided by 2 equal to 0. So therefore, recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, thus a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So on that note, we have that ln x is equal to 0 or 1 minus root x divided by 2 is equal to 0. So for ln s equal to 0, we can take the inverse log function. So this becomes e raised to the power of ln x equal to e raised to the power of 0. So therefore, at this point, s is equal to 1. Also, for 1 minus root x divided by 2 equal to 0, we have that this becomes 1 equal to root x divided by 2. If we cross multiply, we have that this becomes 2 times 1 equal to root x. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2 equal to root x. Now, if we square both sides, we have that squared cancel out square root. So x is equal to 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 4. Thus, we have that s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 4. Now, let's check if our solution is correct. So we have it that x is equal to root s raised to the power of root s. So for s equal to 1, we have it that 1 is equal to 1 raised to the power of 1. So therefore, 1 is equal to 1. Also, for x equal to 4, we have that 4 is equal to root 4 raised to the power of root 4. So we have that 4 is equal to root 4 raised to the power of 2, because root 4 is equal to 2. Again, we have that 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 cancel out 2. 4 is equal to 4. So therefore, x is equal to 1 and s is equal to 4. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please share the video. Bye.